Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Having trouble with your TCL Android TV remote not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through some simple steps to get your remote working smoothly again. Now, let's get right into it. Step 1. Check remote batteries. First things first, check the batteries in your remote. Weak or dead batteries are a common culprit for remote issues. Replace them with fresh ones and see if that solved the problem. Step 2. Power cycle your TCL TV. Next, power cycle your TCL TV by turning it off, unplugging it from the power source, waiting for about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Turn your TV back on and check the remote is now responding. Step 3. Pairing the remote. If the remote still isn't working, it might need to be paired with your TCL TV again. Press and hold the home and back buttons on the remote simultaneously for about 5 seconds until you see a pairing message on your TV screen. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Step 4. Check for interference. Interference from other electronic devices can sometimes disrupt the signal between a remote and your TV. Move any such devices away from your TCL TV and remote to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Reset the remote. As a last resort, you can reset the remote. Look for a small reset button inside the battery compartment or on the back of the remote. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds, then release it. Your remote should now reset to its default settings. Conclusion. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to get your TCL Android TV remote working again smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching.